Hey, it's Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. I'm incognito because I want to talk to you about this little black box. I'll explain it all to you, so buckle up. See you on the other side. Hey, Matthew here. Thank you so much for coming back to Car Count Hackers. If you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, smash that subscriber button. Right now, I'm incognito because I'm preparing a video to show you how to take your Facebook page into a customer getting machine. I promise no other car count guru is going to show you this. No other training course you go on is going to show you this. You could search through, maybe a couple of thousand videos on YouTube and maybe figure it out yourself, or you could subscribe right now and ring the bell icon. That way, when that video comes out, you'll be the first to know. Look, I'm going to show you how to take this simple, stupid little black box and turn it into a customer getting machine that is so simple. I'm actually going to record myself doing this and show you everything. So it's like there's no guesswork after that. And here's a real big clue. I'm actually recording this video on another one of these little black boxes. I'll tell you all about it, and understand this. This isn't some sort of sponsored video. There's no affiliate links to go buy something. I'll show you all the ins and outs, ups and downs, and everything that you need to know. But I can't do it right now because I'm going to head out and get everything I need to record myself doing this and show you how to take your Facebook page from that waste of space into something that you can start getting more customers with. Tell you all about that on the next video. Take care, but subscribe now. And if you're still here hanging around, watch these other videos on how you can market your repair shop in 2019 and beyond. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I thank you so much for taking the time out of your day. Talk soon.